Hello everyone, in this video we will set up .NET 10 with Visual Studio Code. My name is Umair and I welcome you all on my channel. In this video I will be following the 4 steps. First one is necessity verification. We will verify if .NET 10 or Visual Studio Code exists. After that I will install vscode and .NET 10, and lastly we will build up projects. Before moving on, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe it. First of all, I will open command prompt and verify if .NET exists. You can see .NET is not recognized. Secondly, I will verify if Visual Studio Code exists. So you can see Visual Studio Code does not exist. I will go to my browser and here I will write Visual Studio Code download. As I am on Windows, I will go with this one. For other operating systems, you can download the version as per your need. I will go to the downloaded file. And I will install vscode. Installation is completed. And here we have vscode. After that, I will install .NET 10. I will go to this default page. So from here, I can choose the SDK. The current version is 10.0.101. For Windows, I will go with this one. But if you want to choose for Linux, you can choose as per your need. And also if you're on Mac, you can choose the installer or the binaries. So that all depends on your need. I will open it. Install. So it is in progress. Okay, installation is complete. I will close it, open command prompt. I will go with .NET. Now we have some details. .NET info. So you can see we have .NET 10 installed here. I will check out the version as well for you. And we have the version of .NET. So .NET is installed now. I will restart this one. And within vscode you need to install an extension, that is C# devkit. Install. So installation is complete. You can skip these steps for now. I will go here. From here I can create the new project. You have all the options here. So we can create web API, we can create MVC, but there is another option as well, that is command line. To use command line, I will go with command prompt and I will create a folder, let's say sample. I will go to that folder. So I have opened that folder here. Yes, I can trust. So here I will add a file, and that file can be any name but with CS extension. Okay, so here I will write console.writeline. Welcome to .NET 10. So this is just a file, and I will go to terminal again. .NET run app.cs. Okay, you can see the result. So you can create the standalone files and do your coding. The next option is, if I delete this one, from command prompt I will do the projects .NET new list. So the earlier list that you were having in GUI, we have all those details here. We can choose web API, we can choose MVC, so we can create the projects using command line as well. Okay, so I will go with .NET new MVC. A new project has been created. If I go to the project file, you can see .NET 10 is selected. And lastly, I will use .NET run here. It will run the project. Okay, I can click on this link. So you can see we have a sample project here. So that's all from my side. Let's meet in the next video.